Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer. If you are new here, just stopping by, hello. I'd love it if you stuck around and subscribed. We do lots of fun videos here on my channel, and you already know from the title, today we're talking about really exciting new things that are gonna start. So if you do not already know, I do a giveaway every 100 subscribers, and we are on the road to 600, which is super exciting. And if you're interested in the, I have something in my teeth. Anywho, if you're interested in the makeup that I have on right now, this video will be going up next. It's like the next video going up. That was a super confusing way to say it. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you're excited to figure out what new things are happening, please stick around. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you're excited, and let's start. Okay, so for one, you're probably going to get sick of seeing the extension bun, but honestly, this is so easy for me to do. There's no heat to be put on my hair. I barely have to brush it. The clips don't bother me. They're all the way down at the very, very bottom of my hair, and it's just way easier for me. Okay, and also my roots are really bad. We're dealing with that. If you've missed my past few videos, I've actually been in quarantine since the 19th. Yes, since the 19th. I tested positive for COVID where I work, which I work in a long-term care facility, a nursing facility, a skilled nursing facility, whatever you want to call it. So that sucked. I was sick for 3 or 4 days, and I have been asymptomatic since. My daughter doesn't have it. James tested negative. We're all good, and I'm almost out of quarantine when I'm filming this, but I'm taking the opportunity while I don't have to work and I can't leave to do anything, to work on some house projects and to get caught up on my YouTube, because I hate to say it, because YouTube is pretty much my only hobby I have now. It's always the first thing that gets pushed onto the back burner when life smacks me. It's just, I can't slack on my schoolwork, I can't slack on being a mom, and I can't slack on working. So it's always the first thing to go, and I hate it. It's like my only thing I like doing anymore. But I'm gonna stop rambling. You're probably excited to hear the news. I hope you are. I don't know. So if you did not already know, I'm a CNA, a certified nursing assistant. October? Was it October? Yeah. In October, I did the pre-nursing, what is it called? The pre-nursing program conference. That's just where they break down what you have to have, the prereqs, the cost, how to apply, and like what you have to do to be considered for the nursing program. And I applied in October. I know I've talked about it a little bit on here. And they had told us, you know, when you apply, it's all online now. They had told us when we applied that we had to accept or decline our spot in the nursing program by December 1st. If we were to be chosen, you could be accepted, waitlisted, or denied. So I was very scared. I was very freaked out. I know I've talked about it in a few videos that I was manifesting getting into the nursing program. You're not allowed to have unnatural hair colors, and my hair was like Coke can red. I went ahead and got rid of it and went back to the dark. You're not allowed to have nails done, so I kept nails on, and the only reason I don't have them on now is because I've been sick. And I was just manifesting. Oh, and we had to take a entrance exam, the HESI A2 exam, and you had to make a 75 to pass and an 80 or up to have preference, and I made an 80.5, and then they have a point system for your prereq classes where you get 2 points for an A and 1 point for a B and no points for a C. So after you added the points onto my A2 score, I think it was like an 86 or an 85.5 or something. So I did good. I passed on my first try. I applied, freaked out, was manifesting everything. And then the other day, my friend Crystal called me hella early and woke me up. She's like, bitch, check your school email. So I got up, I freaked out, I didn't even want to open it, and I got into the nursing program. So because I think, honestly, I swear to God, I know like my grades and like my test scores and all that had a way bigger impact on it, but I swear to God, my manifesting that I was going to get in really, really helped. Swear. it worked for me, at least. I got into the nursing program. I video called my mom first, and I called her and woke her up and then made her video call me. I showed her the email. I called my dad. I called my brother. I called James. Me and Ellie were dancing. I was crying because I have worked so hard just to even get into the nursing program. I'm so freaking excited. It was just a very emotional day, and I had to work that day, so I ended up calling and telling everybody, because obviously everybody was at work but me because I work late, and I was so grateful. I was so excited. So I'm filming this on November 27th, 8th. I don't know what day it is. Hang on. So I'm filming this on November 27th, and I found out, I want to say like the 10th or so. I've known for a little bit now that I got into the nursing program. I've already got online and accepted my position in it, and then I had to turn in proof that I am on the nurse aid registry in Kentucky. I went ahead and did that. I'm so excited. So I'm in. I got in. I need to fill out a financial aid thing, my FAFSA or whatever it's called. And I've got to figure out, I'm almost positive my first semester is going to be all online just because of COVID, but I need to figure out my work schedule because I just can't stop working. I got to figure out childcare for Ellie. It's a whole lot going on. I've been very stressed out about it, but so relieved at the same time. So my classes will start in January of 2021. By December, I can take my boards and be a licensed practical nurse, an LPN, which is what my mother is. And then I can take 2 more semesters or 1 more full calendar year. And in 2022, I would be an RN, which a registered nurse. And that's my goal. When I very first started the nursing journey, I didn't have a baby or anything like that. And I was going to go all the way up through nurse practitioner. But now we's just aiming for the RN. When I get there, I might continue a little bit more, but that's my news. So because of that, everything is going to be changing. My work schedule, Ellie's schedule, my house, like everything is going to have to revolve around the nursing program. It's very, very study heavy. It is very stressful. And it's just a whole lot. It's going to take over my entire life. And I've known that before I even applied. I knew that. I was old enough I can remember my mom going through the nursing program. So I know how stressful it is. But I also know if my mom can do it with 2 kids on her own, that I can do it with 1 kid and an excellent support system. So with that being said, another huge change that is going to be happening sadly on my channel in 2021 is that my videos might veer a little bit away from like the beauty side and makeup and stuff like that, and more into a lifestyle vlogging, nursing school kind of thing. I hope you're okay with that. I will still obviously upload beauty videos and makeup reviews and all of the stuff I do now, just not as frequently. I'm going to try to keep my Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule, but instead of, I don't know, 2 makeup videos and a talk through video a week, it might be 2 vlogs and a makeup video. It might be 3 vlogs one week and 3 makeups the next week. I don't know. It's going to be very stressful, but I hope you guys stick with me through this journey. And thank you so much to everyone I know in real life that wished me well, prayed for me, all of that good stuff, that I got into the nursing program. And thank you so much to everyone I actually know that thanked me and congratulated me and gave me faith that I could do it, because I seriously doubted myself. I had no backup plan. Most people, when you apply to the nursing program, especially where I live, it's very competitive. They get like 150 applicants a semester and they only take like 50 or 60. So most of the time they tell you to have a backup, like a major, like do you want to do respiratory therapist? Do you want to do OT, PT, something like that? And I didn't have a backup plan. I had nothing else I wanted to do. So I'm really, really glad that I got in and it worked out for me. So I just wanted to come on here. I just realized my makeup's messed up right there from putting the sweater on. It's all good. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you made it to the end, thank you. I rambled a lot, but I'm gonna get off here and I'm gonna go finally eat my salad that I ordered like an hour ago. I'm just so excited. So thank you. Please stick with me This should be going up like the second or third week of December. Like I said, my classes won't start until like the middle-ish of January. They're probably going to be all online, but they might not be. If they're in person, they are Monday through Thursday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., which means I'm going to have to find childcare, a new work schedule, a new upload schedule, and a new filming schedule. But it's all going to be good. Just stick with me through it. You can follow me on Instagram. It's always down below in the bottom bar if you want like more frequent updates, I guess. I don't know. I'm going to stop rambling. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up down below if you are a nurse or starting a nursing school journey or anything like that. Feel free to subscribe. And yes, I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.